Are you searching for an easy way to incorporate fresh, healthy greens into your diet? Then you're in the right place. Sprouting seeds at home is not only simple and affordable, but also a great way to ensure you're eating fresh and nutrient-dense foods. So, let's get started. First up, we've got alfalfa sprouts. You might think these little guys are nothing special, but you'd be wrong. They pack a punch that's way beyond their size. They're full of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. Imagine getting a concentrated dose of nutrients in every bite. We're talking a nutritional powerhouse here. These sprouts are like nature's multivitamin. Alfalfa sprouts are your new best friend if you're looking for a protein and fiber boost. They can easily be added to your daily meals. Trust me, your body will thank you. You'll feel more energized and ready to take on the day. Now, growing these bad boys is a piece of cake. You don't need a green thumb or a lot of space. First, grab a jar and fill it with water. Any clean jar will do, so no need for anything fancy. Then, toss in your alfalfa seeds and let them soak for about 8 to 12 hours. This soaking process is crucial. This will wake them up and get them ready to sprout. It's like giving them a little wake-up call. Once they're done soaking, drain the water and give those seeds a good rinse. Make sure to be thorough. You want to get rid of any excess water to prevent mold. Mold is the enemy of fresh sprouts. We're not trying to grow a science experiment here. Cleanliness is key. Next, cover the jar with a cheesecloth and secure it with a rubber band. This step is simple but important. This lets the sprouts breathe without letting any unwanted guests in. Airflow is essential for healthy sprouts. Now for the next 3 to 5 days, rinse those seeds twice a day. Consistency is key here. And when I say rinse, I mean rinse. Make sure every seed gets a good wash. Get all the water out each time. Excess moisture can lead to problems. After a few days, you'll have a jar full of fresh, crunchy alfalfa sprouts ready to rock your world. It's like magic. Toss them in your salads, sandwiches, or wraps for an explosion of flavor and nutrition. They add a delightful crunch and a burst of freshness to any dish. You can even blend them into smoothies or sprinkle them on top of avocado toast. The possibilities are endless. Give them a try and see how they can transform your meals and boost your health. Next up, we're heading to Asia with mung bean sprouts. These guys are practically royalty in Asian cuisine, and for good reason. They're bursting with protein and practically allergic to fat. Talk about a winning combination. Mung bean sprouts are like chameleons in the kitchen. They blend seamlessly into stir-fries, soups, and salads, adding a delightful crunch and a touch of elegance. Now, growing these Asian superstars is as easy as pie. Remember those steps we covered for alfalfa sprouts? Soak, rinse, cover, and rinse twice daily? Well, guess what? It's the same drill here. The best part? Mung bean sprouts are like those overachieving students who finish their exams early. They're usually ready to eat in just 2 to 3 days. Talk about instant gratification. So, ditch those takeout menus and grow your own mung bean sprouts. Your taste buds and your wallet will thank you. Now let's talk about broccoli sprouts. These little green machines are like the superheroes of the sprout world, fighting off villains like cancer with their secret weapon sulforaphane. This powerful compound is like a shield against those nasty cancer cells. But wait, there's more. Broccoli sprouts are also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them the ultimate nutritional powerhouse. Growing these superheroes is a walk in the park. You guessed it, same process as before. Soak those broccoli seeds for 8 to 12 hours. Give them a good rinse, and then let them hang out in a covered jar, rinsing twice a day. In just 3 to 5 days, your broccoli sprouts will be ready to join your culinary adventures. Add them to your sandwiches, salads, or just grab a handful for a healthy and satisfying snack. All right, spice lovers, this one's for you. If you crave that extra zing in your meals, radish sprouts are your new best friend. Radish sprouts are here to add a fiery kick to your dishes. Imagine a burst of peppery flavor that elevates every bite. They're like the chili peppers of the sprout world, bringing the heat with their peppery flavor. Just a small handful can transform a bland dish into a culinary masterpiece. But these sprouts aren't just about the spice. They offer so much more than just a fiery taste. They're also packed with nutrients, making them a delicious and healthy addition to your diet. Rich in vitamins A, B, C, E, and K, radish sprouts are a powerhouse of nutrition. To grow these spicy little devils, start by soaking your radish seeds in water for 8 to 12 hours. just like with the other sprouts. This step is crucial as it kickstarts the germination process. Once they're done soaking, give them a good rinse and drain the water. Make sure to use clean, fresh water to ensure the best growth. Now, instead of a jar, we're using a sprouting tray for these guys. The tray allows for better air circulation and even growth. Spread those seeds out evenly and get ready for some misting action. This ensures that each seed gets the right amount of moisture. That's right, instead of rinsing, we're misting these bad boys with water every day. Misting helps to keep the sprouts hydrated without overwatering them. This daily care will ensure they grow strong and spicy. In just 3 to 4 days, your radish sprouts will be ready to ignite your taste buds. You'll see them transform from tiny seeds to vibrant, spicy sprouts. Toss them in your salads, sandwiches, or any dish that needs a fiery kick. Their versatility makes them a must-have in any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, radish sprouts will add that perfect touch of spice and nutrition to your meals. Last but not least, we have lentil sprouts. These tiny, unassuming seeds transform into vibrant, nutrient-dense sprouts that can elevate any meal. These little guys may be small, but they're packed with protein and fiber, making them a nutritional powerhouse. They are an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals, including iron, folate, and magnesium. And don't let their mild, nutty flavor fool you. They're here to elevate your dishes with their delicate taste and satisfying crunch. Whether you're adding them to a salad, a sandwich, or a stir-fry, lentil sprouts bring a unique texture and flavor that can enhance any dish. Growing lentil sprouts is a breeze. It's a simple process that requires minimal effort and yields delicious results. Just like with our other sprout superstars, start by soaking those lentil seeds for 8 to 12 hours. This initial soaking phase is crucial as it softens the seeds and initiates the germination process. This will soften them up and get them ready to sprout. You'll notice the seeds swell up as they absorb water, becoming plump and ready for the next step. Once they're done soaking, give them a good rinse and drain all the water. It's important to rinse them thoroughly to remove any residual starch or debris. Now, you can use either a sprouting tray or a jar for these guys. Both methods work well, so choose whichever is more convenient for you. Just make sure they have enough space to breathe. Proper ventilation is key to preventing mold and ensuring healthy sprout growth. Now here's the key to happy lentil sprouts. Mist them with water every day. Consistent moisture is essential for their growth, but be careful not to overwater them. This will keep them hydrated and happy as they grow. You'll see them gradually transform, with tiny roots and shoots emerging. In just 3 to 4 days, your lentil sprouts will be ready to join your culinary creations. They grow quickly, making them a perfect choice for those who want fresh, homegrown sprouts in no time. Add them to salads, soups, or enjoy them as a crunchy and satisfying snack. Their versatility means you can incorporate them into a variety of dishes, adding both nutrition and flavor. So get sprouting and enjoy the mild and mighty lentil sprouts. Congratulations, you're officially a sprout master. Happy sprouting!